All right, guys, we're at the front of the car. Brad, what's going on?
We've got the 2003 Toyota Prado 120 series. Unfortunately, it's the 4-litre V6. Not good. Drinks way too much fuel, but it is what it is.
And it's the 4-speed.
It is, yeah. So when you're on the highway doing 110, she cuts in between third and fourth gear. Not very nice. Doesn't sound pretty.
Hey, just going to say, only uses about 25 litres per 100.
Only 25. It's fine.
So what do we got on the front here, Brad?
Bull bar on the front here. A little bit of a colour coded because it's beautiful. We've got the Maxi Track spotties on the front. Not sure what that is, but they're on there.
Top of the line.
Top of the line. Just absolute beautiful piece of kit. We've got a little. This is very important. This thing here. This is a extremely powerful.
You'd be like if he turned this on right now,
you'd be blinded. Up on the hood, we've got a little protector here. Not sure what that's called, but
just a bit of a bonnet protector.
Bit of a bonnet protector. That was on it when I got it. And we've got we fitted it out with the GME antenna. I did get the short one. I wish I did get the stumpier one. Just so it matches the aesthetics of my body. Yeah, I don't know. Is that it for the front end?
That's about it for the front end. So factory ball bar that you can order from Toyota. He's also got the LEDs in the front of the headlights, and yeah, that's about it for the front. Moving on to the wheels, the tyres, and the suspension. What have we got here, Brad?
I've already forgot what you told me what to say, but we've got the Razor all-terrain tyres and the Dirty Life.
They are 265 by 70 by 17 tyres, and it's the Dirty Life, whatever they're called, but they look pretty sick. So
that's exactly right, Sammy.
He's got the Foam Cell Plus suspension from Ironman in there. It's sitting at about 3-inch because it's a 2-inch lift, but it has load rating for if he ever wants to put a winch and stuff like that. And he also hasn't done the upper control arms because he is a bum. All right, moving on to the side of the car. What have we got up here, Bradley?
All right, so we got the Bushwhacker 270-degree Extreme Darkness.
Show off, but okay. So this one has all the integrated lights, which you'll see throughout the video. And also, when I did the fit out for him, I put a little accessory socket up here, just so when he has the lights and stuff all ready, he can plug it straight in there and doesn't have to worry about anything like that. All right, we'll move straight onto the back. He's got his spare wheel and the bin bag from King's. So open her up, Bradley. Let's see what we got inside.
All right, let's do this.
So what do we got going on here?
Oh, she's a bit dirty with things everywhere at the moment, but what do we got? So I guess we could talk about the back here. We've got the K-On table, which Reese actually installed. Got the table back here. Sammy installed the King's Titan drawer system.
No, that's actually one thing you installed. Brad installed...
No, Reese installed it. I didn't install it. I didn't install anything.
Reese installed the King's drawers on this. I put a 110 amp slimline battery at the in between his drawers and his seat. It actually fits flush. Fits so good. And in the wing here, I've got a BCDC charger, and we got the little panel with an accessory socket, USBs, and what else? A volt gauge. So that's all right. Then we got the fridge here. We got
the King's fridge. I think is it the 40-litre?
Yep.
40-litre fridge. And then what we ended up doing, because I'm a short guy, I'm 5'6", is I didn't like having to go on my tippy toes to look at the look inside the fridge because it made me feel a little bit emasculated. So we decided to get the Ridge 4x4 drop down. What is this even
called?
Drop
down fridge slide.
Drop down fridge slide. Which
we'll show you how it works. Straight out,
and then it just
tilts like that. And then pretty awesome.
And you have good access to inside the fridge.
So as you can see, it's still nearly at his head height for the poor fella. He's that small.
Hey, you take it easy.
All right, fitted on the roof, we have a China spec roof rack. It's a CTE 4x4. It's kind of like sort of like a King's one. It's just a steel roof rack. So, but yeah, on top of that, we have the Drifter 1.2 rooftop tent.
Yep.
And he actually has some roof racks at home for it with the solar panel mounted on there. And there's a plug on the other side that I ran up there for him. He can plug it in. So we'll open that up for you. You guys can have a suss. All right, moving on to the interior of the car. Brad doesn't know what he's talking about, so I'll take it over here. What he has is a head unit mounted in the factory area, and it has the little flush side so it doesn't have any gaps because the Toyota factory head unit is bigger than any other one. So
you can't have a car without CarPlay these days, Apple CarPlay.
That's exactly right. So I installed that for him, and he's also got the GME XRS UHF, which is pretty nice. It's flash, it's got the magnetic mount, and yeah, Then on the outside here, if we shut the door straight on Brad, oh, and we've also got a dash mat because his dash looks like, yeah, he'd seen better days. So if we shut the door here,
hold on. What about the black duck? Duck seat covers. These things cost me about $600 for 2 at the front.
He's also got black duck seat covers fitted. They're black with a grey black duck logo, so they're pretty good. They're pretty expensive too. But if we shut this door, you can see he has the safari snorkel fitted to this thing for the heap of water crossings he does. You should see he's out of control. He does so many. It's ridiculous.
ARB and Elizabeth.
ARB installed that for you. All right, that is the run through on Brad's 2003 120 series Prado. But anyway, go subscribe to Brad. I hope you guys enjoyed. You're going to be seeing Brad a lot in the future, which is unfortunate for you guys because he is the most annoying guy on the planet. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Let's go do some full drive.